HughesNet Gen 4 definitely makes it easier. I just shared all our vacation pictures. Now we can live where we love and still stay connected. And you can too. Just get HughesNet Gen 4.
Sign up now for HughesNet Gen 4 and get speeds up to 15 megabits per second with improved download capacity. Plus, you'll get free standard installation. So call now. Call 1-800-600-3337 or visit HughesNet60.com and order today.
The boys are back. We should put the Wonder Wheel on that. Can you guys do that? That is incredible. With more insane tanks. This is better than I thought.
Yay! New episodes start next Friday at 10, only on Animal Planet.
Hello, Texas. They say everything in Texas is big.
Don't get it out.
I know, he's gonna be looking for days. It's already coming out.
This is the last day to finish up this big treehouse, and man, there are plenty of projects to complete. We're doing electrical, there's 16 outlets. We're adding appliances.
No, it'll be internet.
Look good, those woodwinds. We're even throwing in the kitchen sink. Look at that. Yeah. So one of the things we need to do is tile the bathroom.
He's just covered in
Typically, you don't install tile in a treehouse because the treehouse is going to move and flex when there's big, heavy winds. If that were the case, then the tile would crack and become a real mess. Here we've got some posts directly underneath the bathroom. And